Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and on this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over where you locate your brake fluid reservoir and how you would add brake fluid. So your brake fluid reservoir is located on your driver's side, left side of the vehicle, right next to the firewall, and your battery is right next to it. So we have our brake fluid reservoir right here. We have a max and a minimum marker on the front side here. Sometimes it can be hard to see the levels that it's at, and so you might put a light up to the side of it, and then you can be able to see the levels that you're at. Now, if you need to add brake fluid, you would wipe this area clean, and then you'll screw this cap off. And this sensor here, you can undo that if you need to, but that sensor is the sensor that's going to tell you if your brake fluid's too low. So we screw the cap off, and we would pull this out, add the brake fluid up to the line there, and then be able to put the cap back on. And this one takes a .4 brake fluid, and so that's what you would put on. Close that cap. Now, if you're constantly adding brake fluid, well, then you're going to need to be looking other locations around your brake calipers or your brake lines to make sure that to check for your brake fluid leak, or even right here at the reservoir. We want to make sure that we keep our brake fluid up and at least above the low, in the middle or the max, so that we don't get air in our system and cause our brakes to malfunction while we're driving. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.